The difference between books that get traffic and then the books that don't usually comes down to just one thing, and that is the niche. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find a profitable, low competition niche step by step. So this is step one of the self-publishing titans guided sequence, where we go from niche finding all the way to a finished book. All right, so let's start by figuring out what a good niche is and then how to find one. So when it comes to keyword research, most people, they just go to Amazon.com and then type in a simple keywords like activity book for kids, for example. And then here they see that there's 100,000 search results. So they think, wow, this must be super popular. People are buying these books all the time. And then they scroll down and they see these bestseller badges, and then they instantly assume that this niche is great. There's best-selling books in there. There's books with lots of reviews. People are buying them. And then they go for this niche. They target activity book for kids, and then they get 0 sales. Another example could be people wanting to do a children's book. They type in children's books into Amazon. They see, wow, we have 200,000 search results. Even better, even more books. People must really like these kinds of books, and then let me create my own. Here we can also see we have bestseller books, lots of reviews, 8,000 reviews, 80,000 reviews. And then they think to themselves, well, if this book can do it, and if this book can become a bestseller, I can surely create a book just like this and get sales. They once again don't get any sales. And the same goes for high content books like novels or romance books, stuff like that. So once again, we can see this niche has 100,000 books, and there's lots of books that are selling well, 200,000 reviews, bestseller right at the top. We can clearly see that this is very popular. So this is the wrong way to do it. And unfortunately, this is how most authors do it. And then they create a beautiful book. They spend months writing a book, and then they don't get any sales. So now I'm going to show you a much easier and much more practical way of doing this. And this is with the Self-Publishing Titans tool. So when it comes to Self-Publishing Titans, I'll just quickly go back here. This is a fully updated website. Every tool has been upgraded. Every tool has been redesigned and optimized. And same with the entire website. So when we go to Self-Publishing Titans and log into our free account, we can see here that all the tools are displayed right in the dashboard. And we can also see now we have a guided sequence. And what the guided sequence is just a step-by-step guidance from creating an entire book right on the Self-Publishing Titans platform, from keyword research all the way to book creation and everything in between. So if you just wanted to go to the guided sequence, we can start a new book. So for this, we can type in activity book and then click create project. And then here we have our new file, and then it will instantly redirect you to the keyword research step. And on the left side, we can see the guided sequence. We have niche finding, title creation, choosing a pen name, creating a book interior, creating a cover design, the book description, your 7 backend keywords, the book categories, book pricing, publishing it. And then once it's live, we can get advanced reader copy reviews, A+ content, create an author website, and even translate the listing. And all these tools are right on Self-Publishing Titans. So when it comes to finding niches, we have a few different options, and I'll show you all of them. The first one is our most popular one, and that is the Titans Pro Research tool. And you just simply choose the marketplace you want to create a book for. And Self-Publishing Titans is one of the only platforms that works for every single Amazon marketplace. And then we type in a main keyword as broad as possible and click on Search Suggestions. And then what our tool does is it will actually scan the live Amazon websites and literally gets the exact data from Amazon in terms of the search results. So we can see the exact amount of competitors. And the one thing that is really interesting to notice is, for example, activity book for kids. Here, Amazon said we had 100,000 competitors, but what you're going to notice is that our tool shows it's actually 90,217. So what you will notice, especially in the higher numbers, that Amazon will either round up or round down. So it's not a full, complete, accurate picture. So you can see here 100,000, 200,000, and 100,000. Sometimes they do give you exact numbers, but not always. But our tool will get the exact precise amount every single time. So it's just a little bit more accurate for the people that really like data. And the way this tool works, we also have a search volume column here. And this is monthly estimated search volume. And one thing that you need to know about any tool, like Helium 10 or Bookbeam or Bookbolt or Publisher Rocket or any tool that has search volume data, this data is not from Amazon. These are just algorithms that each platform creates to estimate the search volume. So no tool actually gets the search volume data from Amazon. This is just estimates. But over the last 5 years, we've really tried to get this as accurate and as usable as possible. So we feel really confident that we are doing a great job with this now. And then the other thing that makes our tools really, really popular is we have a demand score and an opportunity score. So what the demand score shows you is how in demand any of these niches are. So 9 being the highest. And we also have it color graded. So bright green means really, really great. Orange, for example, here you can see not so good. Yellow is not the best. Yeah, so those kind of colors. We also have red. So this is just to make it even easier. If you see it's green, basically, that shows you that the demand is good. And here you can also see the numbers. So obviously, the higher the demand score is, the higher the demand overall. And here we have our awesome opportunity score. So this opportunity score is a score that we have created with our algorithms to estimate of how easy it might be to get on page 1 or how likely you are to have success with this niche. So here, obviously, we would want a score that is quite high. And we always recommend going for something that has an opportunity score of at least 5 or higher if you are new. So obviously, we can see here we have an 8, we even have a 9 here. So that's even better. And then when choosing a niche, we always want to see a demand score and an opportunity score that are both in the green. That would be the ideal scene. So just going back to the example earlier, so we had the activity book for kids loaded on Amazon, and we can see here that the demand is really, really high. So that was good. But we can see here that the opportunity is actually only a 3. So this just shows us why so many people would fail with Amazon, because they pick niches that look really exciting, because they have a great demand score, but then the actual opportunity for that niche wasn't the best. Obviously, this is more true for beginners and intermediate people. If you are a pro publisher and very experienced with launches and getting reviews and doing Amazon ads, you can go for much more competitive niches. So this tool is perfect for anyone that's new or intermediate. And let's just look for some good examples. So we can see activity book for toddlers that has an estimated search volume of 22,000 every single month. So that's super high. And we can see that the search results are only 7,000. So 7,000 is much more confrontable and much lower in terms of competition compared to 100,000. So looking over here, we have activity book toddler cling. This might be a brand, I'm not sure what that is. So whenever it comes to keywords, if you don't know what a word means, or if it just doesn't sound like a common term, I would always recommend staying away from that, because it could be a trademarked word or a brand, and then we just want nothing to do with that. And there's plenty of keywords, so never get stuck on one keyword that just looks great. Always take one that you fully understand and doesn't seem like it has any branding words in it or trademark words. So here we have another one. This looks even better. So activity books for toddlers 1 to 3. We can see this has a search volume of 6,000, which is still great. And it only has 6,000 competitors. Here we have another one, memory activity book for adults, 6,000 search results, and both of these niches have a score of 6 and 7 and 6 and 7. So that's really, really great. So these would be the kind of niches you want to choose. You want to find domains that is still good, but a competition that is low enough where we have a chance to actually compete. So this is how you would use Titans Pro. And now I'm going to show you another way to find good niches, and it's maybe even easier and even faster for you. So now I'm going to click on the hot niches here. And the way this works, you can choose between Amazon.com, Amazon UK, Canada, and Australia. So this is a little bit more limiting, but for most publishers, this is just right. So for now, we're going to choose Amazon.com. And what this hot niches is basically a service that Self-Publishing Titans has created, where every single month you'll get 30 hot niches selected for you that you don't have to search and you can just kind of go with it. And for that, you can choose different categories. So we can choose between assorted. So that's kind of a wide range of all kinds of books. So if you like making low content, medium content, and high content books, then this is perfect for you. But let's say you wanted only low content books like notebooks, planners, journals, or logbooks, and you wanted 30 hot niches every month for that, then you would select that. Or if you like doing activity books, puzzle books, coloring books, cookbooks, you would click on medium content books. Or if you like making high content books like guidebooks or how-to books or handbooks, you can select that. Or if you want children's books like storybooks, picture books, nursery rhymes, then that. We also have a dedicated one just for coloring books and cookbooks. So for this, we're going to choose medium content books and click next. And now it will say you're all done. And we click on complete setup. And now for the first month, it's going to pull up your first 30 hot niches. And the way this works is we filter out 30 unique niches for every single person that is subscribed. So no person will get exactly the same niches. So this is just to keep the competition lower and not have all of you guys compete against the same niches. So everybody gets different niches and it has been working really, really great. People are loving this. And in a second, this is going to finish loading. This is just now going through our millions of keywords in our database to find 30 suitable ones for you. So now we can see that the monthly hot niches have finished loading. And here we see something really beautiful. We see a demand of 7 and higher and an opportunity score of 9. So really, really high. So as we can see, this is great. So now in this video so far, I have shown you how to find a hot niche by using Titans Pro and by using the hot niches. In part 2 of this video, I'm going to show you how to use Retrovision and Deep View. Those are also amazing tools that you can use. And in case you want to get any of these tools, you can head over to pricing. And there we do have the option for a monthly subscription and for a one-time lifetime payment. And I'll quickly show that to you, just so there's no confusions. So if you're interested in just the Titans Pro research tool, you can start with the hobby plan and use that tool. But if you want to use our entire guided sequence, every single tool from research, keywords, title creation, backend keywords, and everything else, then the publisher subscription or the Empire subscription will give you everything that you need. And in case you're looking for lifetime payments, here you have our lifetime store. And if you get the Titans Pro Chrome extension, you get access to Titans Pro on our website and a Chrome extension. So that would be the tool you're looking for there. And you can just browse through all of our other tools. We also have great bundles. So yeah, that's everything for now. I hope that you found this video useful. Once again, I'm making a series now to make a video with every single tool that Self-Publishing Titans has, including the entire guided sequence. So if you want to be part of that, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.